children, welcome to the English class. So we are since 3 days we are learning about the second block, that is studying squirrels. So we already seen the did you know part, and we seen the information about the two types of squirrels in this lesson. So in today's class, what we have to learn means we are going to learn about exploring sounds and spellings. So here, while reading the rhyme, this is very important how we are pronouncing that, how they sounds like that, these words. So let us see here page number 19, children. In that they have given one small rhyme for you. First I'll sing that rhyme. Try to sing, you people also. And here in that you should find out the rhyming words here. Let us sing that rhyme here. Page number 19. Silly, quacky, queenie rhymes. There once was a queen called Old Quack. She carried a quilt on her back. She was always quite cold as she wore too much gold. So they quickly stuffed her in a sack. There once was a queen who was quick to beat a young man with a stick. He was quite alright, but later that night his squealing made everyone sick. So children, we have read these rhymes here. Here some words are there that underlined here, and some rhyming words also are there. So quack, back, sack, pack, quick, stick, like that. So before that, what we have to do here, exercise is there for you in the textbook, that page number 21. Let us see that exercise here. Page number 21. So lesson 3 is there now here. So I'll read out that question. What is that? Read aloud the silly, quacky, queenie rhymes. Say the underlined words louder than other words and clap as you say each underlined word. So in this words are there, they underline here. Which are the words I have written here? Look at here on the board. So here one quack. What you have to do while saying that word, you have to clap your hand. Is it not? So here, see here, first question. Once, quack, carried, back, always, or, quickly, sack. Once, quick. So here, what they said, so to clap your hand while saying the word. Here the words, what we pronounce now here, these are the, so here, quack, back. So here are the words, quack, back, sack, pack, stick. And yeah, alright, nine, like this. So here this sounds the same while we clap the hand and we say those rhyming, no, these words sounds same here. And here read the rhymes in the way until you can say them with a fun beat. So you have to say these rhyming words with a fun beat. So like that, what I said, no, quick, stick, quack, back, like that, with a fun you have to say those words. Here you have to concentrate how they sound here. These words are they, know how they sounds here. So and also here second one is there. Solve the riddle. We are two letters that always go together. We are used often in the rhyme. In this rhymes, if we observe means, so two words are there that always coming together there. Which are the two words? So you observe that here in the rhymes. So here, what are the two words here? Always here, if you observe, quack, quickly, quick. So quite, queen. If we observe these words, queenie, like that means which are the two words that comes together here? Q and U. These are the two words that always comes together. For example, here queen. Queenie is there. So QU same. So it came together now, and also quick. These two words come together now here. Queenie, quick, quack, like that. So here QU, these are the two letters that comes together in this rhymes here. And also that next one, B question is there. How do we say these letters when we speak? So I have written here queen, quick, queenie. So like that we are pronouncing no quacky. How we are pronouncing these words? QU. Together these two letters how we are pronouncing? Qua. KW sound. This QU sounds like a qua. KW sound it pronouncing. QU sounds like a qua. K and W. Quack. Queen. Quacky. Queenie, like that. K and W sound, K, W sound, it pronounce here. Children, let us come to question number 3. Underline the words in the poem that have the sound you discovered in the riddle. Read these words aloud. Which sound we discovered in the riddle? In question number 2, QU sound. So that QU sound words are there, no? In rhymes you have to underline those words. I will tell you which are the words that you should underline. So that is queen, quack, quilt, quite, quickly, quick and squealing. So these are the QU words you should underline in the rhymes. This is the answer for question number 3. Let us come to question number 4. Read these two words aloud. Make a sentence with each one. So two words they have given in this question. So that is quite. First one is quite. Second one is also a quite. You can say that these two, so spelling is different, but this is telling the same word, same, they are pronouncing the same. You can say like that. Here children, here Q-U-I-T-E is there and here Q-U-I-E-T is there. So these two words here spelling is different and meaning is also different. But these words sound same. So for such words we are calling as a homophones. So here in this what you have to do, you have to know the meanings of these words and you should write in your own sentence. First, what do you mean by Q-U-I-T-E, quite? This quite means what it gives the meaning? Here it gives the meaning of completely, entirely, totally. So like this, if we have written this quite means, and if we have written Q-U-I-E-T, quite means what it gives the meaning? Here it gives the meaning of silent. Silent. So keep quiet, like that you are telling, no? So this quiet we are using. Here this quiet means meaning it gives completely, and Q-U-I-E-T quiet means silent. So you have to write in you have to make a sentence. For this first quiet, what we can write and so we can write like he plays the piano quite well. Quite means entirely, totally. He plays the piano quite well. This step we can write for this first quite. And here is the second quite, Q-U-I-E-T, quite means silent, meaning it gives. So that's why what you have to write, please keep quiet, like that. So you have to try to write another sentence. What I have given, no, don't write same, you try to make it your own sentence. Understood? And here, next, let us come to question number 5. So, what is that question number 5? Find more QU words in dictionary. Make sentences with 2 of the words. So, you have to write this as a homework. Question number 5 you should write as a homework. Why? Because you have to write more QU words. If you see in a dictionary, you can find more QU words in that. Try to write at least 5 to 10 words. And also, now we have to learn what are the words today. Which words we have to learn today. So let us see here. So that today's words to learn. These 5 words are there. So here how you should read this. Queen is there. How you have to split and write this? We have to split like Q-E. Queen. Understood? Next. Qua. We have to split in a 2 parts, then it will be easy for you to pronounce. How many parts you are splitting here? It sounds like that. Quack, queen, quick, int, quilt, squeak, eek, squeak. If we divide here, if we split here, squeak, eek, squeak. Understood? Next, squeak, eeky, squeaky. Here, squeaky, squeaky. Queen, quack, quit, squeak and squeaky. So these children, you have to read these words 2-3 times. You have to pronounce it and you should write these words. Today's words you have to write 3 times in a classwork. So here for you today's homework question number 5 and these words you have to write in your English classwork and homework. Send this homework, write this homework and send it to my personal number. Thank you.